Sometimes the vacuum is too hard to push. Some vacuum cleaners by Hoover does issue with the power drive. This one does. Yep. This one does have power drive since it's self-propelled. Yeah. Probably some vacuum cleaners just like this one can be the same thing. Like since 1972, they put out a Dynamatic with a power drive, and also later on they switched to the concept models. Like some of them could be any other color schemes. Well, yep. This particular vacuum does come with the this particular vacuum. It 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 does come with the attachment caddy, so the attachments can be a lot more easier as cleaning your above the floor jobs. Yep. And to recline the vacuum, it does come with the two pedals right here. Like this can easily clean up any form of carpet, like a medium pile or plush, shag. Yep. Probably. Yep. Probably back in. Yep. Probably back in the 70s, they did have shag carpets. Just before this vacuum came out in 1992. Yep. There might have been the editions of this vacuum a long time ago. Some do come in blue or in this color or in this color. Some do come in blue or this color. I wonder what color this is. It looks kind of a burgundy color. Yep, burgundy. Yep. Well, oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Normally, yeah. Well, sometimes normally on a. Sometimes normally on the Concept 1 models, they do have like a cord rewinder or a release hook. This vacuum is slightly different because it has the cord on the back. Yeah. This vacuum does. Oh yeah. This vacuum does have a Arm & Hammer vacuum bag. Before they came up with that, they did have the Type A bags for like convertible or concepts or Power Maxes. Yep. Some Hoovers can be like a hard bag model, like the Turbo Masters or Turbo Powers. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and get this. I got this microphone since last year for Christmas. It might hear a vacuum cleaner very well. Just in case if you want to hear the sound of your own vacuum. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy more videos coming up very soon on Jesse Jr. 1877. Thank you, Jesse. We love you.